Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 essential steps to achieve financial success. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your financial well-being, these steps will guide you towards a better future. The first step to achieving financial success is setting clear and achievable financial goals. Without clear goals, it's challenging to stay focused and make progress towards improving your financial situation. Setting goals helps provide direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose when it comes to managing your money. Before setting your financial goals, take some time to evaluate your current financial situation. Calculate your net worth by subtracting your liabilities, debts, from your assets. Determine your income, expenses, and any outstanding debts you have. This evaluation will give you a snapshot of where you currently stand financially. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, it's time to define your goals. Start by identifying your short-term goals, which are typically achievable within 1 to 3 years. These could include paying off credit card debt, saving for a vacation, or creating an emergency fund. Next, focus on your long-term goals, which are typically 5 years or more into the future. These could include buying a home, saving for your child's education, or retiring comfortably. Long-term goals require more planning and a longer time frame, but they are essential for securing your financial future. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. To make your financial goals more effective, follow the SMART criteria. Make them specific by clearly defining what you want to achieve. Ensure they are measurable, allowing you to track your progress and know when you've reached your goal. Make sure they are achievable and realistic, considering your current financial situation and resources. Align your goals with your values and priorities to make them relevant. Lastly, set a timeline for each goal to create a sense of urgency and accountability. It's common to have multiple financial goals, but it's essential to prioritize them. Rank your goals based on their importance and urgency. This will help you allocate your resources and efforts more effectively. For example, if you have high-interest debt, it may be wise to prioritize paying it off before focusing on other goals. Once you have defined your goals, break them down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to save $10,000 for a down payment on a home in 3 years, calculate how much you need to save each month to reach that target. Identify specific actions you can take, such as cutting expenses, increasing your income, or automating savings contributions. Remember, regularly review and reassess your goals as your financial situation evolves. Celebrate milestones along the way and adjust your goals if necessary. Setting clear financial goals is the foundation for financial success, providing you with a roadmap to guide your financial decisions and actions. So take some time to define your goals today and start working towards a brighter financial future. The second step to achieving financial success is creating a budget and tracking your expenses. A budget is a powerful tool that allows you to take control of your finances, understand your spending patterns, and make informed decisions about where your money goes. Begin by tracking your income and expenses for a month. This includes not only your regular income, but also any additional sources of income, such as freelance work or rental income. Categorize your expenses, such as housing, transportation, groceries, utilities, entertainment, and any other relevant categories. Use online budgeting tools, spreadsheets, or dedicated budgeting apps to simplify this process. Differentiate between fixed expenses and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are regular, predictable payments that stay relatively constant each month, such as rent or mortgage payments, insurance premiums, or loan repayments. Variable expenses fluctuate from month to month and include things like groceries, dining out, entertainment, and discretionary spending. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back or make adjustments. Look for non-essential expenses that you can reduce or eliminate, such as subscriptions you no longer use or excessive dining out. Analyze your variable expenses and consider where you can make cost-effective choices without sacrificing your quality of life. Based on your income and financial goals, set realistic spending limits for each expense category. This will help you stay within your means and prioritize your financial objectives. Be mindful of your discretionary spending and ensure that it aligns with your priorities. One crucial aspect of budgeting is allocating funds for savings and investments. Treat saving as an essential expense and allocate a specific percentage or amount of your income towards savings. This could include building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a house, or contributing to retirement accounts. Automating your savings and investments can make this process easier and ensure consistent progress. A budget is not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. It requires regular review and adjustment. Take the time to review your budget monthly or quarterly to ensure you're staying on track and making progress towards your financial goals. Be flexible and make adjustments as needed, especially when your income or expenses change. By creating a budget and tracking your expenses, you gain a clear understanding of where your money is going and can make more informed financial decisions. It empowers you to prioritize your spending, eliminate wasteful habits, and allocate your resources towards what truly matters to you. The third step on the path to financial success is building an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected events and expenses, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden job loss. An emergency fund acts as a safety net, providing financial stability during challenging times. The first step in building an emergency fund is determining how much you need to save. A commonly recommended guideline is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Consider factors such as your monthly bills, rent or mortgage payments, food costs, transportation expenses, and any other essential expenses you have. If you have dependents or an unstable income, you may want to lean towards the higher end of the range. Building an emergency fund can feel overwhelming, especially if you're starting from scratch. However, it's important to start small and be consistent. Set a monthly savings goal that is achievable within your current financial situation. Even if it's just a small amount, such as $50 or $100, it's a step in the right direction. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. This ensures that you consistently contribute to your emergency fund. To accelerate the growth of your emergency fund, look for ways to cut expenses and increase your income. Analyze your budget and identify areas where you can make adjustments. Consider reducing discretionary spending, renegotiating bills, or finding more cost-effective alternatives. Additionally, explore opportunities to increase your income, such as taking on a side gig, freelancing, or pursuing professional development to boost your earning potential. It's important to keep your emergency fund separate from your regular checking account to avoid dipping into it for non-emergency purposes. Open a dedicated savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This separation not only ensures that the money is available when you need it, but it also provides a psychological barrier against impulse spending. If you ever need to use your emergency fund, make it a priority to replenish it as soon as possible. Treat it as a non-negotiable expense and continue contributing to your fund until you reach your target amount. Also, periodically review and adjust your target amount as your circumstances change, such as when you experience an increase in living expenses or a change in income. Building an emergency fund takes time and discipline, but it is a crucial step in achieving financial stability and peace of mind. Having a safety net in place allows you to navigate unexpected circumstances without resorting to credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt and financial stress. The fourth step towards financial success is managing debt wisely. Debt can be a significant obstacle to achieving your financial goals and can create a cycle of financial stress. By taking control of your debt, you can regain financial freedom and set yourself up for long-term success. Begin by assessing your current debt situation. Make a list of all your debts, including credit card balances, student loans, car loans, personal loans, and any other outstanding debts. Note down the interest rates, minimum payments, and total balances for each debt. This will give you a clear overview of your debt obligations. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, should be a top priority when managing your debt. High interest rates can cost you a significant amount of money in the long run. Develop a plan to pay off these debts as quickly as possible. Consider strategies such as the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first while making minimum payments on other debts. If you have multiple debts with varying interest rates, consider debt consolidation or refinancing options. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. This simplifies your payments and may reduce the overall interest you pay. Refinancing involves replacing a high-interest loan or credit card debt with a lower interest rate loan. Explore these options and weigh the pros and cons based on your specific situation. In some cases, you may be able to negotiate lower interest rates on your existing debts. Contact your lenders and explain your situation. They may be willing to work with you to reduce the interest rates or provide you with more favorable repayment terms. This can help you save money and pay off your debts more efficiently. Develop a realistic repayment plan to tackle your debts systematically. Allocate a portion of your monthly budget towards debt repayment and stick to it. Consider the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off the smallest debt first, gaining momentum as you see debts being eliminated. Alternatively, you can use the debt avalanche method mentioned earlier if your focus is more on minimizing interest payments. While you work towards paying off your existing debts, it's crucial to avoid accumulating new debt. Develop healthy financial habits and practice responsible spending. Avoid unnecessary credit card usage and live within your means. Focus on building a solid financial foundation and resist the temptation of impulse purchases that can derail your progress. If you find yourself overwhelmed with debt or struggling to manage it effectively, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a credit counselor or financial advisor who can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. They can help you create a personalized debt repayment plan and provide strategies to improve your overall financial well-being. Managing your debt wisely is a vital step towards achieving financial success. By prioritizing high-interest debt, exploring consolidation options, negotiating lower interest rates, creating a repayment plan, and avoiding new debt, you can take control of your financial future. Remember, debt management requires discipline and perseverance, but the rewards of becoming debt-free and achieving financial freedom are well worth it. The fifth and final step on the path to financial success is investing for the future. Investing allows you to grow your wealth, generate passive income, and build a solid financial foundation for the long term. When it comes to investing, time is your greatest ally. The power of compound interest means that the earlier you start investing, the more time your investments have to grow. Even small amounts invested regularly can compound into significant sums over time. So, don't delay, start investing as early as possible. Before diving into investing, it's important to determine your investment goals. Are you investing for retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education? Each goal may have a different time horizon and risk tolerance. Setting clear investment goals helps you align your investment strategy and make informed decisions. Investing can be complex, so take the time to educate yourself about different investment options, strategies, and risk management. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial websites. Understanding key investment concepts like asset allocation, diversification, and risk versus reward will help you make more informed investment decisions. Diversification is crucial in managing investment risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Within each asset class, consider diversifying further by investing in various industries and regions. Diversification helps reduce the impact of market volatility and increases your chances of achieving consistent returns. Take advantage of retirement accounts, such as 401(k), or individual retirement accounts, IRAs. These accounts offer tax advantages and potential employer matching contributions. Contribute regularly to maximize your retirement savings. If your employer provides a matching contribution, strive to contribute at least enough to take full advantage of the match, as it's essentially free money. If you feel overwhelmed or lack the time and expertise to manage your investments, consider seeking professional guidance. A financial advisor can help you develop an investment strategy aligned with your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. They can provide personalized advice, monitor your investments, and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed about the performance of your investments and periodically review your portfolio. Monitor the market trends, economic indicators, and any changes in your investment goals. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation and adjust your investment strategy if necessary. Investing is a long-term game, and short-term market fluctuations are inevitable. It's important to stay focused on your long-term goals and not get swayed by short-term market movements. Avoid making impulsive investment decisions based on fear or greed. Remember that successful investing requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. By investing for the future, you're taking a proactive step towards securing your financial success. Start early, determine your goals, educate yourself, diversify your portfolio, take advantage of retirement accounts, seek professional guidance when needed, stay informed, and practice patience. Investing wisely can provide you with financial security, freedom, and the ability to achieve your long-term financial goals. In conclusion, achieving financial success requires taking proactive steps to improve your financial situation. By following the 5 steps we discussed today, setting clear financial goals, creating a budget and tracking expenses, building an emergency fund, managing debt wisely, and investing for the future, you can pave the way to a brighter financial future. Setting clear financial goals provides direction and motivation, while creating a budget and tracking expenses allows you to take control of your money and make informed decisions. Building an emergency fund provides a safety net during unexpected situations, and managing debt wisely helps you regain financial freedom. Finally, investing for the future allows you to grow your wealth and secure your long-term financial well-being. Remember, financial success is a journey that requires discipline, perseverance, and ongoing effort. Regularly reassess your goals, adjust your strategies, and stay informed about financial matters. Seek professional guidance when needed and surround yourself with a supportive network of individuals who share similar financial goals. With dedication and a commitment to financial education, you can take control of your finances, reduce financial stress, and work towards achieving your dreams and aspirations. Start implementing these steps today and embark on your path to financial success.